Hello everybody, welcome to Mama Lisa's Kitchen Magic. I hope everybody's well today. Today I am going to make a spinach, Parmesan, garlic, egg omelette. We're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of butter. Put the heat on medium. Add a little sprinkle of garlic. And then you want to add your spinach right away so it don't burn. And get that fragrant taste and smell on your spinach and your omelet. I made about a handful. You could put a little more spinach if you like. Into the eggs, I'm going to add a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese, a little chili flakes and salt, this is an old Italian style omelet. It's very tasty. You could always add more spinach if you like. And if you're enjoying my recipes, please like and subscribe and leave a comment on what you think of everything, how they taste. I'm very curious to know. It's not ready to come over that way. And just let it cook a little bit on the other side. And I have my usual slice of green-tastic thin sliced toast. It's by Simply Nature and it's really delicious. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.